How technology is changing baseball. Baseball, it's America's game. Baseball has been around since 1839, and if you do the math, that's over 177 years. But baseball has been changing, and it's evolving as time goes on. Technology has changed the way the game itself is being played, to changing the way players train, and most importantly, technology has changed the way fans experience the beloved American game. First, I want to talk to you about how technology is changing the way the game is being played. The pace of play is getting faster due to devices like Cray supercomputer. This analyzes large volumes of information in a short amount of time and will allow for teams to process information during a game quickly enough to actually be able to influence game strategy. The game of baseball is finally catching up to the technological world with the expanded use of replays. Prior to the 2014 MLB season, the only time the league would use replays was on disputed home run calls, such as if the ball went foul or if the ball hit off of something behind the fence. This all changed this season, as an expanded use of replays have been added that also allows managers of each team to challenge a game. If the challenge is overturned, the game will be rewarded one additional challenge for the rest of the game. The umpires are also able to review these calls from the start of the 7th inning until the end of the game. Technology, including high-definition television, feeds the DVR systems, helped put the instant replay into baseball. As Gabe Kapler from Fox Sports wrote on March 3, 2014, with instant replay, advanced metrics, and BAM's technology, one thing is for certain, the game is constantly evolving, and we will have a choice. We can get on the spaceship and appreciate the speed at which we're moving, or relish in the comfort of the horse and carriage. The MLB has also implemented new safety measures for all athletes. Baseball caps are lined with elastomer Kevlar technology to make sure if they get hit in the head, there's some protection on their caps. Next, I want to talk to you about how technology is also changing how players are training. Often considered a game of inches, experts say baseball players today gain an advantage when they make it a game of millimeters. That's where new smart baseball technology is helping give athletes an edge. Data tracking and analytics depicted in the movie Moneyball are already prevalent as coaches and players hunt for training techniques to enhance gameplay performance. Teams like the Houston Astros are measuring the spin of the ball to fine-tune the perfect knuckleball. There are different types of sport cameras that analyze players. For example, Hindu Coaches, an app that allows coaches to share the data and footage with players as well as the analytics of their play and swing. Zep and other swing tracking devices can go into detail about the player's swing path as well as speed and what things to improve on. Zep Technology, which has previously produced 3D swing analysis tools for batters, developed a smart bat too. This custom-made model has a cavity in the knob that allows the tracking device to fit inside. This means hitters can get feedback from their actual swings in a game, making adjustments from at-bat to at-bat. IMG Academy has cutting-edge technology available to student athletes. These student athletes will undergo the same tests given to some of the world's top athletes, including Eli Manning, Dwight Howard, Landon Donovan, Hope Solo, Missy May Traynor, and Abby Wambach, just to name a few. IMG Academy states on their website that Dartfish is one of the most advanced video technologies available in sports. Providing them with important visual feedback, this feedback is crucial in identifying mechanical issues and crafting a proactive baseball swing. Right View Pro allows our coaches other visual aids in improving athletes' hitting mechanisms. Not only is RightView Pro used by Major League Baseball and its players, it offers an extensive library of comprehensive video analysis. Sean Kretz from IQ by Intel wrote on March 18th of this year that the embrace of new technology indicates this could be the year that a favorite pastime takes a big leap into the digital future. Lastly, I'd like to talk to you about the way technology has changed the fan experience. Now, fans are able to watch baseball games on all types of platforms. Social media allows behind-the-scenes look at the stadium and teams. Stadiums are becoming smart and digital and highly interactive. Bruce Schoenfield of the New York Times said that on September 30th of this year, that Major League Baseball Advanced Media introduced StatCast before the 2015 season. BAM, as it is known, was created in 2001 as a sort of in-house tech startup to help standardize baseball's presence online, where teams maintain their own sites in variable quantities. Since then, its tracking of pitch speeds and home run distances have become hugely popular with fans on MLB websites and apps. The MLB are also finding ways to make the game shorter. On December 5th of 2016, Lauren Brussel from the CIO wrote, "To study the pace of the game, the MLB is rolling out a slew of changes, including a digital clock to keep pitchers and batters on track so they don't extend commercial breaks. If he fails to comply, he will receive a warning and possible fine." In conclusion, technology and baseball are hitting their stride. While the latest baseball technology trends aren't always visible to the fans, there are still many things that are improving the fan experience, the way the game is being played, and as well as enhancing how players train and perform. With smarter equipment, more mathematics, and data tracking are changing baseball from a game of inches to a game of millimeters.